How to assemble the Airsled Appliance Dolly AD500. Start by confirming the top beam is assembled with the screw heads facing down and the caster base screw heads are facing up. Prepare the 4 double casters for installation using the double-sided wrench. Thread each caster through the plate, install the acorn nut, and securely tighten with the included wrench. With all 4 casters installed, proceed to the upright legs. Remove the split ring that secures the leg pivot and then insert the leg pivot into the caster base. Flip the caster base over and reinstall the split ring to secure the leg pivot. Slide the leg over the leg pivot so that the holes are aligned and proceed to the second leg. Prepare the casters with brake for installation next. Insert the casters into the leg so that the holes are aligned. You can now install the connecting rails. With 1 butterfly nut attached, pass the double-threaded rod through the leg and connecting rail, and then pass through the opposite leg. Install the second butterfly nut and then firmly tighten both ends. This is a good time to check the caster wheel washer, and if loose, tighten securely with the included wrench. With casters and legs secure, you can proceed to installing the 4 clamps. Make sure the nylon washer is in place before threading the ratchet lever through the clamp. Follow the same procedure for the smaller clamp. The smaller clamps go on the legs connected to the caster base, and the larger clamps go on the leg with the brake caster. You can install the 4 clevis safety stoppers through the legs and secure them with cotter pins. In the event of clamp failure, the clevis safety stoppers prevent the load from dropping. Continue with installing the top beam by sliding it over the legs. You are now ready to install the top connecting rails. Insert the connecting rail into both legs and then use the clevis and cotter pin to lock it in place, which prevents it from dislodging. The AD500 includes caster plate bumpers to prevent cabinet scuffing, which are simply pressed on. The adjustable clevis pin, when installed downward, helps secure the included lock bar, which prevents the dolly's legs from accidentally being pulled apart while supporting a heavy load. When installed upward, the AD500 can fit a plywood board that can support a heavy load and can also prevent the legs from accidentally swinging open. Learn more at Airsled.com.